Santa Sleepground. So, when you open it, double-sided tape, the things to make, Santa Sleepground, and the instructions. So, first, I'll make the head. So, you need to push out the head from the paper, like that. And then, fold it using these lines at the back. And you need to fold it like that. But if you don't stick or do anything to it, it just falls apart like that. So you need to put little bits of glue on it to make it stick together and then blow it. So first I'll get the glue. And blow it, because if you don't blow it, it'll fall off. Finally it worked. Now let's do the last bit. Now let's stick it together. Now the face is done. Let's do the body now. Do the same as the head. You need to fold the things, fold everything. And there's little bits here, and don't forget that you have to fold them. And if you don't fold them, you can't stick it. Now let's stick them with glue like the face. Now the body is done. Next, let's do the arms now. The ones with the black bits are the feet. When you take them out of the paper, you should do it carefully or else they might rip. Fold them together. First, you just need to fold the arms together and stick them like that. Stick the hand. So now let's make the second arm. Fold it the same. And the second arm is done. So now let's make the 2 feet. Beep, beep, beep. Oops, I ripped the paper by accident. Now let's fold it again. So we need to stick it now. Now let's do this bit. Now let's stick it down, and then the first feet is done. Now let's fold the feet are exactly the same as this feet is the exact same as the first feet. Now the second foot is done. Is this a Santa Sleepground? It's just body pieces, right? So how can we stick them together? You're supposed to use double-sided tape and stick it where the places say where the pink circles are on the bodies. So stick them, take it out, and stick it. Stick that one on, stick this one on. The tape doesn't come off well, so you have to do it that way. Stick the arms together. Stick the head. Now let's put the double-sided tape on the legs. Stick and stick. Stick these together like that. Now stick it like that. Did you like making Santa Sleepground? It was easy and fun, right? Next time, let's make a different paper toy together. Bye! Search for Pekotoy on YouTube. Subscribe and like. Bye! See you next time!